Now dear students, I am going to the exercise 14.2. So in this exercise, the first question is given that you have to draw a line segment of the 7.3 centimeter using a ruler. The special thing is given that you have to draw the 7.3 centimeter length line segment using the ruler. Ruler means you have to use a scale. So what you have to do, simply first of all you have to take one point, that is called the 0 point, and we will take it as A. This point is A. Now by the using the scale you have to take the distance of the 7.3 centimeter and mark as B. Now this will be the line segment of 7.3 centimeter. So here AB line segment. So this is the symbol of the line segment is equals to the 7.3 centimeter. Again I am telling the steps that how you have to draw. First of all you have to choose one point. Then you have to, by using the scale, you have to count point A as 0. Then you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 0.3 centimeter. Then at the point of the 7.3 you have to mark point B. Then you have to join these lines. Now this here AB line segment will be the 7.3 centimeter. Now go to the question number 2. In the question number 2, the question is saying that construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter using ruler and compasses. So here what you have to do, simply you have to draw one line. Draw one line of the length of your choice. Here you have to draw a line of length of your choice. Now you have to take one point. Okay. That point is known as the point A. You have taken one point. Now you have to take compass, and in the compass, suppose that this is your compass. In compass, now you are going to choose the distance, whatever the desired distance. The question is saying that 5.6 centimeter. So in compass you will take 5.6 centimeter. Now you have to place the needle of the compass on the point A. Then you have to mark at 5.6 centimeter. So this will be the point B. This mark will show the point B. Then here this distance will be the 5.6 centimeter. Okay. So this is the line segment, construction of the line segment by using the ruler and compasses. Now going to the question number 3. Here is the question number 3, question saying that construct AB, line segment AB of length 7.8 centimeter. So first of all we are going to draw the line segment. Now you can choose any method of them. First method or second method to draw the line segment of the given length. Here we have to draw the line segment of the line segment AB 7.8 centimeter. Now it is drawn. Now question is saying that from this cut off AC of length 4.7 centimeter. So now you have to use your compass and take in compass you have to take the distance 4.7 centimeter. Here in the compass you have to take the distance 4.7 centimeter. Okay. And now you have to place the needle of the compass here, and at the 4.7 centimeter you have to make one mark. This is the mark. So here this will be the point C. This is the point C. So here this distance is known as the 4.7 centimeter from here to this point. Okay. Now question is saying that measure BC. Now you have to measure the BC. What is the distance BC? So here what will be the BC? If you are going to measure, then line segment BC will be the AB, line segment AB minus AC, line segment AC. So AB is given 7.8 centimeter and minus AC is given 4.7 centimeter. So length of this segment will be the 8 minus 7. So here will be the 1, and 7 minus 4, here will be the 3. So it will be the 3.1 centimeter. Okay. Okay. Now going to the question number 4. Here I am going to the question number 4. In the question number 4, question saying that given AB of length 3.9 centimeter. So here it is given that AB, any line segment, here the point is given, AB is a line segment given 3.9 centimeter. So first of all you have to draw a line segment by using the ruler. You have to draw a line segment AB of 3.9 centimeter. Now question is saying that you have to construct. Now you have to draw one line by your choice. Okay? Because you have to construct a line segment PQ that is double of the AB. So here I am going to draw the point P. This is the point P. Now you have to use your compass and take this distance in your compass. Now you have to take this distance in your compass. Now place your compass here and mark one time. So here you have to mark one time. So you will get this point. Okay? You will get this point. You have to take as it is X. Now you have to place your compass here and again you have to mark. That will be the point Q. Why? Because now PQ is PX one time and XQ is double. So PQ is double of AB because we have used 2 times here. So PQ is double of AB. Now question is saying that verify by measurement. So here we are going to measure as AB is given, line segment AB is given 3.9 centimeter. So PQ is equals to the line segment PQ is equals to the twice of line segment AB. So we will write down twice of 3.9 centimeter. So it must be equal to the 2 9 18 and 2 3 6 plus 1 7. So 7.8 centimeter. It must be 7.8 centimeter. Now you have to measure it by your scale. If it is 7.8 centimeter, then your construction is correct. Now going to the last question. Question number 5. Here it is given that given AB of length 7.3 centimeter and CD of length 3.4 centimeter. So here it is given that one line segment AB is given that is 7.3 centimeter and another line segment is given that is only this is CD and this CD is only 3.4 centimeter. So this is 3.4 centimeter. Now question is saying that you have to construct a line segment XY such that the length of XY is equal to the difference between the length of AB and CD. So what you have to do? So here simply for this construction what we have to do, this is only the for understanding. Now I am going to the construction. First of all you have to draw a original AB line segment. Now you have to cut. CD is 3.4 centimeter, so you have to place your compass. First of all you have to use the divider and measure this distance 3.4 centimeter. Now put your divider here and mark the position of 3.4 centimeter. Suppose that this is the 3.4 centimeter, so this is cut it down. Now it is 3.4 centimeter. So we have subtracted it. Now what is the remaining length? Now we have to measure this length. Okay, so here we are going to measure this length. What is the length of this? So how we are going to measure? You have to use the ruler and measure it. Its measurement will be 7.3 minus 3.4. Then it is 13 minus 4. That will be the 9. And now here 6 minus 3. It will be the 3 9. So that means this portion will be the 3.9 centimeter. Is that clear? So now by this method this exercise has been completed. Thank you.